Welcome to this presentation on 10 defensive driving mistakes most drivers don't know they are making. It has been presented by Perez. Now, in our previous video, we explored 15 essential defensive driving principles that help drivers stay safe on the road. In this presentation, we'll look at some common mistakes that many drivers make without even realizing it. Some of these mistakes involve basic driving habits, while others relate to situational awareness, such as failing to notice a vehicle that appears to be following you, relying too much on mirrors, or not maintaining a safe escape route. By recognizing these mistakes and learning how to avoid them, you can become a safer, more confident, and more defensive driver. Let's get started. The first one is the slow is always safe myth. Now, this can be explained below. Number one, match the traffic flow. Driving much slower than surrounding traffic can create hazards. Other drivers may become impatient and attempt risky overtaking maneuvers. So safe driving means moving with the flow of traffic while remaining within the speed limit. Secondly, avoid rolling roadblocks. A slow-moving vehicle can disrupt traffic flow. This often leads to sudden braking and unnecessary lane changes. Defensive drivers avoid becoming obstacles to other road users. Number three, use the correct lane. Keep to the appropriate lane for your speed. Driving slowly in overtaking lanes can increase frustration and risk. Good lane discipline improves safety for everyone. Number four, stay predictable. Other drivers expect traffic to move at a reasonable pace. Sudden changes in speed can create confusion. Consistency normally helps reduce the risk. Secondly, the mirror-only lane change. Number one, check blind spots first. Mirrors do not show everything around your vehicle. A quick shoulder check can reveal vehicles hidden from view. Never rely on mirrors alone. Number two, signal before moving. Indicators help communicate your intentions to other drivers. Early signaling gives road users time to react. Good communication also prevents surprises. Number three, confirm the lane is clear. Usually take a moment to verify the lane is safe before moving. Rushing a lane change can lead to collisions. Always double check. And lastly, move smoothly. Avoid sudden lane changes. Smooth and controlled movements give other drivers time to adjust. Predictable driving improves safety. And the third one, driving in other drivers' blind spots. Number one, stay visible. If another driver cannot see you, they may not know you are there. So always position your vehicle where it can easily be seen, because visibility improves safety. Number two, avoid lingering beside vehicles. Remaining alongside another vehicle for too long increases the risk. The other driver may change lanes unexpectedly, and so pass safely or drop back. Number three, be extra careful around trucks. Large vehicles have larger blind spots than cars. Their drivers may have limited visibility around the vehicle, so always give them extra space. And lastly, watch vehicle movement. Small changes in speed or position may indicate an upcoming lane change. Pay attention to these clues. Anticipation usually helps prevent collisions. Fourth is the space cushion illusion. Number one, leave enough distance. Many drivers usually follow too closely without realizing it. A safe following distance gives you time to react. More space means more safety. Number two, use the 3-second rule. Choose a roadside object and count the seconds between vehicles. Less than 3 seconds may not provide enough reaction time. Increase the gap when necessary. 3. Increase distance in bad weather. Rain and slippery roads increase stopping distances. Extra space provides a valuable safety margin. Adjust for conditions. And fourth, create an escape option. Following distance is not just for braking, it also gives you room to maneuver if a hazard develops. Space equals options. And fifth is not having an escape route. Number one, think ahead. Good drivers constantly ask themselves, what if? Planning ahead helps you respond to unexpected situations. Anticipation is a key defensive driving skill. Number two, avoid getting boxed in. Driving between vehicles can limit your options. Always leave yourself room to move if necessary. Freedom of movement improves safety. And number three, leave space around you. Space is one of the most valuable safety tools. It provides time and options during emergencies. Maintain a safety buffer whenever possible. And number four, know where you can go. Always identify a possible escape path in case of an emergency. A quick decision can prevent a collision, so preparation usually saves valuable seconds. The sixth one is the yellow light gamble. Number one, anticipate signal changes. Now always watch traffic lights well ahead of time. Early observation helps you prepare safely. Avoid making last-second decisions. Number two, slow down early. A yellow light is a warning that the signal is about to change, so reducing speed early improves control. Sudden braking can be avoided. Number three, avoid risky decisions. Accelerating to beat a yellow light increases danger. The few seconds gained are rarely worth the risk. Safety should come first. Number four, approach intersections carefully. Intersections are among the most dangerous locations on the road. Stay alert and prepared to always stop. Caution prevents collisions. The seventh one is the I'm a safe driver distraction. Number one, stay mentally focused. Driving requires your full attention. Even when your hands are on the wheel, your mind can wander. Mental focus is essential. Avoid daydreaming. Thinking about work, family, or other issues can reduce awareness. Number two, avoid daydreaming. Thinking about work, family, or other issues can reduce awareness. Hazards may go unnoticed. Keep your attention on driving. Number three, limit unnecessary conversations. Long or emotional conversations can become distracting. They may affect judgment and reaction time. Focus on the road first, be it on the phone or physically. Number three, the last one rather, stay aware of your surroundings. Regularly monitor traffic, mirrors, and road conditions. Continuous awareness helps identify hazards early. Defensive driving starts with attention. The eighth one is courtesy that causes crashes. Number one, be predictable. Other drivers expect you to follow the rules of the road. Predictable actions reduce confusion, and consistency improves safety. Number two, follow right-of-way rules. Traffic laws exist for a reason. Ignoring them to be nice can create unexpected hazards. So, safe driving is not always about being polite. Number three, avoid sudden stops. Unexpected stopping can surprise drivers behind you. This increases the risk of rear-end collisions, so keep traffic flowing safely. And lastly, communicate clearly. Use indicators and proper road positioning. Clear communication helps other road users understand your intentions, and good communication prevents mistakes. The ninth one is over-reliance on driver assist technology. Number 1, understand system limitations. Technology can help, but it is not perfect. Sensors and cameras may fail to detect every hazard, so drivers must always remain alert. Number 2, stay engaged. Driver assist features are designed to support, not replace the driver. Always maintain control of the vehicle. Stay actively involved. Number 3, be extra careful in bad weather. Rain, fog, and dirt can affect sensors and cameras. Technology may not perform as expected, so do not rely on it completely. And lastly, trust your skills first. Technology should be treated as a backup. Your observation and judgment remain the most important safety tools. Always drive responsibly. The 10th one is the panic overreaction. Now, under this, number 1, stay calm. Panic often leads to poor decisions. Remaining calm helps you assess the situation, and clear thinking improves safety. Number 2, avoid sudden steering. Sharp steering inputs can cause loss of control. Smooth movements are usually safer, so maintain vehicle stability. Number 3, brake smoothly. Slamming on the brakes may create additional hazards. Controlled braking improves stopping effectiveness, so always stay composed. And lastly, prepare for emergencies. Think about potential hazards before they happen. Mental preparation improves reaction time. Practice defensive driving habits regularly. In conclusion, having covered these 10 defensive driving mistakes, remember that safe driving is not only about what you do, it's also about what you notice and anticipate. Now, stay aware of your surroundings always, leave yourself time and space to react, and always think ahead of time. Thank you for watching. This has been your driving instructor, Perez. Wish you a safe and responsible driving. Goodbye.